Hello, my name's Andy Hiram from Bio8. I'm here today to tell you about the foundation tablets that you've got through with your order from Unwins and what they do and what the benefits are to your plants. So you've received a little strip with 3 tablets and you've also received a card with the instructions of how to use on the back. If I can, I'm going to quickly go through what foundation does and what the benefits are to your flowers and your plants. We're going to break it down into 5 separate areas. The first area is what we would call rhizosphere colonization or root colonization. This is where the bacteria in foundation create an exclusion zone or safety zone around the roots of your plants. Now this helps prevent physical access of the pathogen. So in other words, it physically displaces the pathogen so they can't attack the roots. The other thing is what's called nutrient competition. Now, plants exude or release various organic matters such as organic acids, amino acids, sugars, all things that are very attractive to pathogens. Now, what foundation does is it outcompetes the pathogen for those nutrients, but it also recycles those nutrients and puts them back into the plant. So effectively, it starves any pathogen of its plant source, giving extra protection. The third part is what we call nutrient competition or nutrient cycling and nutrient release. Now, in any growing media, you'll find that there is organic matter that hasn't been rotted down and just isn't in a format that the plant can actually benefit from. What foundation does is it effectively rots or composts those nutrients into a format that the plant can then use for growth. Now, also in growing medium, you'll find that there are lots of minerals such as potassium and phosphorus that are actually very tightly bound into the soil and are insoluble. So what foundation does is it solubilizes those nutrients to allow the plant to take them on board. And we all know that phosphorus and potassium are very good growing stimulants. The third part is what we call metabolite production. Now, metabolites are commonly known as things like auxins or plant hormones and are very good for growth. What foundation does is it actually generates these metabolites or plant hormones, which obviously benefit the plant for growth. And the fifth part is what we call induced systemic resistance. This means that even though we're treating foundation to the roots of the plant, protecting the plant, that protection actually extends through up into the aerial parts of the plant as well. So it gives protection through even to the aerial parts of the plant. So, in conclusion, what foundation is doing is creating a very healthy probiotic environment for any plant or flower to grow in. It's creating an environment where they can take on nutrients and provide those nutrients in a form that the plant can really take on board and extend growth. So it's ideal for all kinds of growing media such as compost, soil, vermiculite, even coir or cocoa. And is a really good product for that. So what it does is it helps very fast seed germination and also strong plant growth. Now obviously you've got these 3 samples which are free, but you can also buy the product in a retail pack where you get 18 tablets, and there's lots of other applications you can use foundation for, and we recommend that you look on some of our other videos where we're going to tell you different applications. This 18 pack costs £5.95 and is available from the website. Thanks ever so much for listening. Hope you found it helpful.